Today we've got an exciting showdown between two heavyweights in the SEO world, Semrush and Ahrefs. Both these tools are indispensable for digital marketplace and website owners, providing invaluable insights to boost online visibility. In this comparison, we'll delve into 5 crucial aspects: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's get going. Let's check out some of these programs' key features. Semrush features include comprehensive keyword research. Semrush offers in-depth keyword analytics, uncovering profitable keywords and tracking their performance. Competitor analysis. Get the upper hand with insights into your competitors' strategies, traffic sources, and keyword rankings. Backlink analysis. Uncover your backlink profile, identify high-quality links, and explore your competitors' link-building strategies. Content optimization. With Semrush, you can enhance your content strategy with recommendations to improve SEO user engagement. Ahrefs features include extensive backlink analysis. Ahrefs shines with its detailed backlink insights, helping you dissect link profiles and identify link building opportunities. Rank tracking. Keep a close eye on your keyword rankings and track your performance against competitors. Keyword Explorer. Discover new keyword opportunities and assess their potential traffic. Site Audit. Ahrefs ensures your site's health with a thorough audit, highlighting areas for improvement. Semrush offers 3 main plans: Pro at $130 per month, Guru at $250 a month, and Business at $500 a month. Ahrefs, on the other hand, has Lite at $100 per month, Standard at $200 per month, and Advanced at $400 a month, as well as Enterprise plans starting at $1,000 per month. Both offer powerful features, but Semrush's plans are generally pricier. In terms of user experience, Semrush provides an intuitive interface with user-friendly navigation. Ahrefs, while powerful, may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. However, experienced users often appreciate the depth Ahrefs provides. Semrush excels in providing a versatile toolkit with features like comprehensive keyword research, competitor analysis, and content optimization. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners. However, the pricing can be on the higher side. On the other hand, Ahrefs stands out in backlinks analysis, site health, and rank tracking. While it offers comprehensive data, the pricing is also competitive. Choosing between them depends on specific needs, with Semrush being more versatile and user-friendly, while Ahrefs is a powerhouse in backlink analysis. Semrush and Ahrefs have several alternatives in the SEO tools market. Popular alternatives include Ubersuggest, SimilarWeb, Moz, Raven Tools, and SEObility, each offering a range of features to cater to different user needs and preferences. In the battle of Semrush versus Ahrefs, the choice depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize a versatile toolkit and user-friendly experience, Semrush may be your go-to. But for those diving deep into backlink analysis and site health, Ahrefs is a powerful contender. Don't forget to sign up for a trial using the links in the description. Subscribe for more easy internet tips and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.